Hello students, now I am going to explain the topics of this Newton's divided difference, the introduction part, and also meanwhile we can do few problems in this concept in a module 5 numerical methods in the subject advanced calculus and numerical methods. So first we'll see about this divided difference. The first order divided differences are, to find out the values we have to use these formula. So first we'll see about this formula. The first order divided difference, how to find out means with the help of these formula. So divided difference of y naught will be y1 minus y naught divided by x1 minus x naught, and divided difference of y1 will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and next divided difference of y2 is y3 minus y2 by x3 minus x2. Similarly, divided difference of yn minus 1 is yn minus yn minus 1 by xn minus xn minus 1. Similarly, the second order divided difference, how we can calculate means, so del square divided difference square of y naught can be written as del y1 minus del y naught divided by x2 minus x naught. Similarly, del square y1 will be del y2 minus del y1 divided by x3 minus x1. Similarly, for the next two formula also. Now we'll see the third order divided difference, how to find out means, so divided difference of a cube of y naught, that is del square y1 minus del square y naught divided by x3 minus x naught. Similarly, for del cube of y1 and del cube of yn minus 3 also. So with the help of these formulas we can find out the table values. You should remember the formula to find out that table value. So now we'll go for this formula of the Newton's divided difference formula. So Newton's general interpolation formula will be like this: y is equals to f of x, which is equals to y naught plus x minus x naught into divided difference of y naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 divided difference square of y naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x3 divided cube of y naught plus and so on up to x minus x naught x minus x1 and so on up to x minus xn minus 1 divided nth of y naught. So this is the formula we are using to find out the values in the Newton's divided difference concept. Now we'll see the problems based on this Newton's divided difference. We'll see the first problem. Use Newton's divided difference formula to find f of 4 given that x is 0, 2, 3, 6 and y value or corresponding f of x value is minus 4, 2, 14, 158. Okay, x and y they given. They asked us to find out f of 4 using this Newton's divided difference formula. The given x and y value you just substitute in the column as it is. So after that you just go for finding the del y, del square y, del cube y with the help of that formula. So del y value will be 3, 12, 48 and del square y value will be 3, 9 and del cube y value will be 1. So after getting the result of this divided difference table, next we'll go for use the formula. So y is equals to f of x, which is equals to y naught plus x minus x naught del y naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 del square y naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 into del cube y naught. This is what the formula. All values is there from that table only. So you just substitute and in place of x you just substitute as 4 because they asked us to find out the value of y at x equals to 4. It means f of 4 value we have to find out. So x naught, x1, x2, x3 and all these y naught and del y naught, these values we can get from that table and in place of x substitute as 4. Carefully we have to do the simplification. On simplification we are getting the value of f at x equals to 4. It means f of 4 is 40. This is what our required solution. Now we'll go for the next problem. Fit an interpolating polynomial for the data u suffix 10 which is equals to 355, u suffix 0 which is equals to minus 5, u suffix 8 is minus 21, u suffix 1 is minus 14, u suffix 4 is minus 125. These values they given in the question. Now using that Newton's general interpolation is nothing but Newton's divided difference only. With the help of that we have to find out the polynomial first, and then they asked us to find out the value of u suffix 2. Okay, all suffix values you just take that as a x value, and corresponding value you just take it as a y value. So x value will become 0, 1, 4, 8, 10, and corresponding value of y will become minus 5, minus 14, minus 125, minus 21, 355. So next is all that difference value. So del y, del square y, del cube y, del to the power 4y we have to find out with the help of the formula. So first that del y value will become minus 9, minus 37, 26, 188, and del square y value is minus 7, 9 and then 27. Del cube y value will be 2, 2. Del to the power 4y, that value will be 0. After getting all these values, it means that divided difference table values. Next is you just write the formula. So that is y is nothing but here ux only. So y naught plus x minus x naught del y naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 del square y naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 into del cube y naught. All the values, x value, y value, it is there in the table, and del y naught, del square y naught also it is there in the table. Here we have to find out the polynomial. So in place of x you should not substitute any of the value. You just write in place of x as it is only. Manually we have to simplify this one without using that calculator. So you just do the simplification. You will get one equation in terms of x. So that ux is 2x cube minus 17x square plus 6x minus 5. This is what our required polynomial in terms of x. After getting this polynomial, they asked us to find out the value of u at x equals to 2. It means u2 value we have to find out. So u2 is 2 into 2 cube minus 17 into 2 square plus 6 into 2 minus 5. On simplification with the help of calculator, we are getting the value of u2 is minus 45. This is what our required solution. Now we'll see the next problem. Given that log base 10 is 650, log base 10 of 654 is 2.8156. Log base 10 of 658 is 2.8182. Log base 10 of 659 is 2.8189. Log base 10 of 661 is 2.8202. All these values they given in the question. Now they asked us to find out log base 10 of 652, 656 and then 663 using Newton's divided difference. Okay, the given x value you just take it as the log function value, and the whole answer, that RHS, you just take it as a y value. So x value 654, 658, 659 and then 661. Corresponding y value is 2.8156, 2.8182, 2.8189, 2.8202. X and y we substituted. Now you just find out that del y, del square y, del cube y using the formula. So that value will become 0.00065, 0.0007, 0.00065, and del square value will be 0.401, 0.40166. Similarly, the last value is minus 0.0000038. After getting this table value, next you just write the formula. Y equals to y naught plus x minus x naught del y naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 into del square y naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 into del cube y naught. So this is what the formula. In this formula, all values we can get from the table. Only thing is, in place of x you just substitute that 652, so that we are getting the value of y at x is 652 is 2.8147. Similarly, if you substituted in place of x as 656 means we are getting the value of y is 2.8168, and for x equals to 663 we are getting y value as 2.8212. So like this we have to solve the problems. Thank you.